Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a multiple project company. And we provide different solutions regarding Google Ads management, Facebook Ads management, SEO services, web development services. So today I'm here with a case study regarding Google Ads for loans, or better specifically, if you call me, I'm gonna say it's Google Ads for a client who has a service regarding loan repayment for the people who are unable to pay their loans and want an extension or want another loan to pay their old loan. So that for them loan repayment service. So for them, they tasked us with creating a campaign. So this is a case study regarding this. Okay, whenever when we onboard any new Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or SEO client, the first thing we do is the reason is, what is your product service description, what makes you unique out of your competitors, why why people are going to prefer you over your competitors. If you can't satisfy me over here, or me or my team, then how we cannot proceed further, because if you can't sell it to me or can't convince it to me, how I am able to convince other people to buy your product or service. So that is a core motto whenever we take someone on the board. So with that core motto, we started working, and we looked at the competitors. When we discussed on the why you, what makes them unique, we looked on the competitors, because competitors were already running ads, and they are those businesses who are already successful, which is why they are running ads. If they are running ads from 3 months or longer period of time, it means that they are actually fulfilling their cost and earning money, which is why they are running ads. At least that is one of the reasons they are running ads. So we did a thorough analysis of the competitors, and let me show you few of the competitors images as well. We were discussing on the order ad auctions as well. We discussed on who were advertising, and we did a thorough review of them as well. Now, when we did a thorough review of the advertisers, we used several tools and a lot of information over there. We had a few things in mind, that what can be a good converting landing page over here. Now we are spending a lot of money to land visitor on our website. Now we are spending money to get the intent of the visitor to be highly convertible when they are landing on our website. Now our website experience should match those expectations user have when they clicked on your ad. That is a very important task before running any ad, because we are spending money to land a visitor on our website, and if we are not able to get an optimum landing page experience for our website, then we cannot get a winning campaign. So that is very, very important. So now let me show you few of the changes we suggested them, and then I'm going to show you the landing page as well, so you guys have an idea on there were other changes as well, but that was the first thing we discussed with them. And I'm gonna make the font size bigger so it's readable by masses as well. We discussed on the landing page, we discussed on CTAs, CTRs, we discussed on the competitors, we discussed on the numbers, because numbers grabs eye. And now what a landing page we have after several changes over the month, because we ran the campaign for 3 months. 3 months, guys, we run the campaign for them. And then eventually we did several A/B tests, we did a color changes competition, we looked on different hours, and then here we were able to come with this landing page. Let me refresh you guys, to show you an eye. Now this is a very highly converting landing page in my opinion. If you guys look around on this landing page, let me make myself even shorter. I know that there is few things still can be improved, because there is always a room for improvement. For instance, this white space can be improved. Now with the timer, I like the timer is a turn on for me. Let me tell you why it's a turn on for me. Because uh, it's a turn on for me because it gives urgency to the user. Eventually end user has an urgency to get an action done. And then you can see over here that you are getting a free consultation. The word free convince grabs. Now it's a loan campaign, and free grabs an attention to make up our mind, book a free consultation. make it easy to finance your loan payment, repayment. So no matter what it is, I also think that maximum information should be shown without scrolling down. Your call us is over here. So I believe that the most laziest person is our eventual user, and our landing page experience should be very good. Save 10K to 20K with financing, call, the procedure of CBA refinancing, free customer, then why customers loves us, and then and so that is no long landing page. Straight to the point, what you're going to do, our task is to get more and more leads, and then getting the user converted later on the phone call. So our task is to get the more people signing up for our leads and then converting them on the phone call. But we have to make up their mind when they are filling the lead form, so that they have at least mind, or we have to narrow down people who are going to fill up. So which is why having a good landing page is very important. So once we did this part, we moved on to the campaign part. So now I'm showing you the campaign spent. $2,960 was spent in 3 months in running the campaign. And if I show you, okay, let me go back and show you uh, the conversions, which you guys be looking forward. So it's like 240 conversions, which were very, very excellent ratio. For anyone who is working in this industry may knows that this is always not a possible number. So we were very happy. And now, because this was not an over thing, like we started a campaign and we were able to get those results. No, it took several optimizations, several changes. Even I can show you some reports, some data, so you guys have an idea. Like this was, the keyword suggestions when we were discussing. These were the reports. Then we also looked for other themes. We worked on the theme based campaigns as well. There was a Cyber Monday. These were the ads. We worked on the ad extensions. I'm going to show you those as well. That Cyber Monday business was because the Cyber Monday event was coming at that time. Christmas was over there, because now it's, you can see the date right now, it's a January. So it's a 4 months deal, 3 to 4 months work. So we looked on those as well. We looked on the landing page. We looked on the wording of the landing page, text, content, everything, A to Z. We were very concerned because we wanted a successful campaign for our client. A successful campaign for our client results in a recurring customer for us, so it's a win-win for both of us. If a client gets more lead, we actually earn more money, because the client retains with us, or even the client recommend people to us as well. So that is the very thing. Now the assets are very important. These are your ad extensions. We used on account level, there was site link, phone number, which we used. Then with the leads, we also used services, structured snippet. If I show you that, the services snippets, it's getting loaded over here. That provided a description of the services which we were selling. If it's not loading, let me get back over here, because I'm going to show you the summary. But you can see over here what it could be. Like you can see right now, services catalog, best price guaranteed, effortless paperwork, fuel your ambition. Okay. And we also ran a call campaign. With the call campaign, we also had a similar structure snippet. We also highlighted the word free. We have highlighted the word effortless paperwork, because these two words, effortless paperwork, is a something which grabs the human attention. The word free grabs. We The word quotation, that grabs our attention. We also looked simultaneously on the keyword search, keywords, search terms, so that we can have negative keywords addedly timely. We were looking on the campaigns. We were looking on the areas. We were looking on the locations, which were converting well for us. The data of the locations which were converting well for us. Then the ad schedules, which hours, which time, the campaigns were running well, which when they were getting more data. And then we also looked on the devices. We also had a devices overview on what kind of a devices were working well for us, what were generating good conversions, what were not generating good conversions. You can see over here as well, our best conversion was done through mobile phones. You can see over here. We did the performance targets, we looked around on that as well, we did the advanced bid adjustments. We thoroughly, because we were very concerned regarding getting the client to get maximum leads. So that was an ultimate goal over here with this client's need. And I was very happy that my team was able to get a very working campaign. You are seeing right now is a maximize clicks strategy for the campaign. So people asking me what campaign strategy we run. When we started the campaign, we started with the maximize clicks. We shifted to target impression share, and then the first impression share. Because we wanted to show on the ad first position. We experimented different things. We experimented with the target impression share to be shown on the first page. We experimented to be shown on the second page. We experimented to show on the only on the top of the page. We experimented to show randomly to see which ad position is working well for us. We did a lot of tests, and because marketing is all about testing data, so we were always doing this stuff as well. And that is why we recommend people to cut on the management, because that requires consistent management services. So that is how we were able to get them a lot of leads, like I'm going to show you here as well on the conversions part as well. Okay, now the thing is that not always every campaign gets a winning one, and not everyone generates sales. Okay, if you ask me, for those, at that time, if you are seeing zero conversions, at that is because at that time we our conversion tracker was not working, and the client was doing some stuff on his own before they hired us. So then when they get disappointed, then they hide. But I'm not saying that they get zero leads when they were on their own. They were still getting some leads, but when they came to us, their number of leads were increased. And I believe there are few reasons for which why we were able to get a very solid working campaign for them. And the few reasons which I believe, I say that a landing page plays a huge crucial role over here, because that is how you're going to convert. That is your ultimate product, and if you have an ultimate landing page, you can be a winner. And then apart from landing page, we need a highly converting and optimized campaign, and always an eye on your bidding, keywords, ad copies, and what your competitors are doing. A strong eye can make you a winning, and that is what how we came a winner for this Google Ads for loans for our client loan repayment service. So yeah, this is a successful case study. I hope you like, and I hope you guys learned as well in this. So guys, in case if you need Google Ads services, Google Ads management, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, web development, or link building, me and my team can help you in creating an awesome campaigns for your digital marketing staff. If you want to hire us, you have to click on the link in the description to get started with us, and we will love to be able to help you. And if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye. Bye bye.